Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share some tips on how to retouch eyelashes in Photoshop to get that perfect natural look. Great looking eyelashes can really enhance the portrait and make a big difference. Today I'll show you how to achieve that effortlessly. Let's get started. So I've got this beautiful portrait open in Photoshop, and as you can see, the eyes are stunning. But the eyelashes could use a bit of enhancement. Before I get started, I like to make sure the image is clean and ready for retouching. So I've done some basic skin retouching already. Let's start by zooming in on the eye area. I'm going to select one of my favorite eyelash brushes and carefully start adding in lashes where needed. The goal here is to enhance what's already there without making it look overdone. With these brushes, I can adjust the size and opacity to match the natural lashes, ensuring they blend seamlessly with the existing ones. After adding the lashes, I'll go back with a soft razor to refine the edges and make sure everything looks perfect. To make the lashes look even more natural, I like to add a subtle glare to soften them slightly, blending them seamlessly with the natural lashes. I also like to slightly darken the lash line to give it a fuller appearance, which really helps the eyes pop. Now let's take a quick look at the before and after. You can see how much of a difference this small adjustment makes. The eyes look more defined and the overall impact of the portrait is much stronger. As you saw, having a set of custom brushes tailored for eyelashes really helps streamline the process and achieve the look I'm going for. If you're interested in trying these brushes out, I've included a link in the description below where you can find them. And that's it for today's tutorial. Eyelashes might seem like a small detail, but they can really enhance the overall feel of your portraits. I hope so. You found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more retouching tutorials. If you have any questions or want to see more specific techniques, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy editing. Bye.